If you're going to be using stretch fabrics for your next project, you really need to measure for the stretch. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so that you will make your project the best it can be and fit really well. Lay your fabric on the table nice and flat and fold over the edge by a couple of inches along the edge that has the most stretch. This is almost always the cut edge and not the selvage. The stretch should go around your body, not head to toe. Place a pin at one point on this fold. It can be anywhere, going through both layers. Using your ruler, place another pin 10 centimeters along from the first. Place your left hand next to the first pin and your ruler facing up from the second pin. With your right hand, grasp and pull the fabric until it's at a comfortable stretch, not super tight, and measure this against the ruler. In this example, it's 2.5 centimeters. So that is 2.5 centimeters of the 10 centimeters, which means 25%. Therefore, this fabric has 25% stretch. Then all you need to do is to check your fabric against the requirements of your pattern to make sure that it's going to fit really nicely. I really hope that was useful. If you did find it useful, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I have lots of new content coming out with a new video every week. On the screen right now, you're going to see some great videos that will take you through some more tips and tricks and hacks for sewing. Don't forget to keep on making things and I'll see you in the next video.